And I love what you said at the beginning, because when we talk to our customers, we always, can be anything, a piece of hardware, a service. We always go back to what is the pain point that you're trying to solve. That is what is going to make your product or service successful. And that's what you said from the beginning. You knew what caregivers were faced with from a challenges perspective, and that's what you set out to do. But how do you go from there? And what hurdles did you face to actually bring Tender to life?
In going after this problem and really committing to solve it, a real problem that millions of people are facing, it's come with its share of challenges. As a founder, one of the most significant has been having to learn to run a company, and then fundraising in what is ultimately a fairly niche market. I wish I could say it's
And
easy.
you're a woman founder.
This is true, which I think gives me a unique perspective into the problem at hand and those who are doing this work. But it also meant that I had to find the right investors. And
Yeah.
it's in a family care space. So that's a very specific space to be solving for. And then I think addressing the real diversity of what it means to be caring for a family. So we went into extensive user research to really identify how we could figure out building for the right use cases. In our case, we landed on things like medical emergencies, which we all go through at some point, as places to really deliver value, and then balancing empathy with innovation. And then the last piece is really just building trust with our users. We are asking to be invited into one of the most sensitive and most private parts of what a family goes through. So making sure that we are building with care, we're HIPAA compliant, managing everyone's data with the utmost standards